What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. As you guys can see, we are in the GTR today, and today is gonna be a full GTR day. I've actually been driving this car a lot. Like I've been honestly daily driving it, and I'm not complaining. It's so much fun to drive, especially after we went full bolt-ons and tuned. This is the funnest car I've ever driven. I'm not even kidding. I've been trying to race everybody I run into. I've been doing pulls all the time. It's just so much freaking fun. But today I had no plans, so I'm just gonna take the GTR out, bring the GoPro out, and do a little point of view video for you guys. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do a point of view drive with the GTR. I haven't done it because the car was not tuned for a long time, but finally it's all tuned. It's like 100%, like 95%. I could take it over there to get tuned again. The tuner actually told me he can turn it up, so maybe we'll make it even faster. But as of right now, the car is pretty much running 100%. It's so much fun to drive. I'm just gonna cruise around, see what we get into. I do want to talk more about the Valvetronic exhaust though, so we're probably gonna do more clips up in the canyon or something, maybe like open versus closed. And guys, before we get too far into the video, if you guys can please smash the like button. It helps me out a lot. And if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And last important thing before we get too far into the video, if you guys ordered something on the last merch drop, this one right here, first and foremost, I apologize for the delay. It's so delayed. I promise I'm trying my best to get every order out. Everything is out of my hands right now. Unfortunately, something happened with the order. There was a mistake on some of the items from the manufacturer, so I had to take them back. He's fixing them, and just hopefully he gets them back very soon. I'm gonna be throwing in extra stickers for every single order. I feel so freaking bad, guys. I look bad, I feel bad, and I apologize so freaking much. I'm gonna try my best. As soon as they're done, I'm coming home and I'm shipping out every single order in one single night. I'm gonna stay up all night and ship all you guys' orders out, I promise. So every order should be out by next week or this week pretty much. And I apologize for the delay. I'm so freaking sorry. I tried sending out this email to everybody. If you guys have not received it, here it is right now. I even posted it on my Instagram, and it's never gonna happen again. I promise this will never happen again. Promise to you guys will get your orders very soon. I promise. And every single order, like I said, is gonna have an extra sticker thrown in there. Sorry, and thank you guys for the love, the support, and thank you to every single one of you guys that ordered something. I appreciate it so freaking much. And now let's get into the video. All right guys, first things first, we're gonna warm up the car. I've been babying this car, so this car gets warmed up every single day before I start driving. And then go get some ED5 because this car runs out of gas so freaking fast. I guess the ED5 just burns a lot more faster. It's also because of probably the way I drive as well. I'm always stepping on this car, dude, I swear. But we're gonna put some ED5 in. It's a half a tank right now. I'm gonna guess like 15 bucks, watch. That's all I'm gonna put in. That's the only thing good about ED5 is the gas prices are way lower. I think this gas station is like $1.85 or something. Like it's super cheap. E85, 1999. Wow, the GTR is so dirty. We actually might need to wash it. Look how good it looks though. I freaking love these wheels, guys. They look so good when they're all black. I'm glad I got rid of that green. Now low-key, I kind of miss the green, I'm not gonna lie. The green was kind of cool just because it stands out, but this looks better. Oh, I guess I'm wrong. I'm way wrong. So 19 bucks. Guys, check this out. I can hold the button and the coolant level will switch to the E85 level, like the percentage level. So we got 80% E85 in here. I've never gotten into 85. Like, I think it's impossible, but I filled up so many times and it only gets to 80. Another cool thing is, I don't know if you guys are able to see, check this out. I can switch maps. 1, 2, 3. That's a street map, race map, and then the flame map. And I can switch it all on the go. So shout out to RD Engineering for that. This tune is freaking awesome. If you got a GTR and you want to make power, I definitely recommend it. Check this out. This is me versus another GTR. I was amazed. I don't know. I think the other GTR is full bolts on as well. So I don't know. My GTR is just too fast, bro. I'm just kidding, it's not that fast. I don't know if I'll ever get bored of this car. It's just so much fun to drive. I've always been telling myself, like, once I get bored of this car, I'm gonna sell it and get like a Lambo or something, like a Huracan. Not now, probably like in a couple years. But I don't know, thinking about it, I don't know if I could sell this for a Lambo. Like honestly, the way the car is set up right now, I probably could gap a Huracan. So why would I trade in a car that's faster for a slower car. But it is a Lambo at the end of the day, and I've always wanted that car. One day for sure I'm gonna get a Lambo, but I don't know. Is it worth it to trade in though? Look at this. Damn, the DeLorean. Back in the Future. Can't you go in the future as well? I would go in the future and see if I have a Lambo. I'm a bully, bro. But he was trying to race me. I think that's like a Kia Stinger, isn't it? I don't know. He was trying to race me, so I did a pull. We made it to this little canyon road that I always go to. Not that big, but it'll do. I think all the other big canyons like Azusa and Angeles Crest, I think they're closed from all those fires. This will be actually the first time I'm taking a GTR on like a canyon road like this, or like turns. Bro, I love the turbo noises. I don't even know if it picks up on camera, but the intakes sound insane. It's not like crazy corners, but this car handles pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was not gonna be that good around like corners and stuff, but dude, the GTR handles great. Oh my god, dude. Bro, this thing is so much fun. I've never done like corners like this in this car. Only like racing straightaways, but dude, it's fun as hell in the canyons. I hope you guys can hear the intakes. It sounds so good in person. Maybe next time I'll find a way to mount like a mic to the front of the car or the rear bumper so you guys can hear more of the sound. All these Jeeps and then that random GTR up here. I think everyone goes off-roading up here. Hey, my car's all-wheel drive. I bet you I could go off-roading. Oh my god, dude. It's so freaking fast. It just gets up to speed so fast. It's a little too much power for here. So yeah guys, the exhaust setup, it's a full Valvetronic exhaust from Valvetronic themselves. So it's Valvetronic downpipes, mid-pipe, and muffler rear section. So full Valvetronic system. It sounds insane. It makes a lot of freaking power. I believe it's 3.5 all the way back from the turbo. So 3.5 downpipe, 3.5 full exhaust. Damn. You wanna race? Turbo spool is insane. Everyone thinks they have upgraded turbos, but I'm telling them it's just a downpipe and full exhaust. And since it's a Valvetronic exhaust, it has valves, so I'm able to close and open the exhaust. Just in case there's like a cop behind me, I can close the exhaust. It sounds very, very quiet. And if I want to open it, show off a little bit, I can like literally make it straight pipe. So if I want to close the valves, I just hold this button right here. It'll close them. Now the car should sound pretty stock. It sounds pretty crazy with the valves closed. You can hear like the turbos, I think, louder. And of course, we're gonna open them. Yep. Hey guys, keep in mind, I'm on like street slicks, like drag radials. So these tires are not meant for canyons, obviously. It's like more for like the drag strip. But I'm surprised, it handled pretty good. Oh my god, dude. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do like a couple pulls real quick. I'm gonna do like 3 pulls with the valves open, and I'm gonna do 3 pulls with the valves closed. So you guys will be able to tell the difference right now. So yeah guys, as you guys can hear, the Valvetronic exhaust sounds insane. The turbo spool is so freaking loud. I wanted to show you guys more of the valves closed versus the valves open. It gets very, very quiet. It literally sounds like stock. And you open them up and it sounds like it's fully straight piped. It spits big ass flames now. It's so crazy. So yeah, once again, shout out to Valvetronic. This exhaust is so freaking sick. I have the full Valvetronic exhaust. And anyone that has a GTR out there, I 100% recommend it. It's freaking awesome. It saved my life with the valves when there was cops. And it just sounds so freaking good. It's literally one of the best sounding GTR exhausts that I've heard.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.